We will now be exploring the advanced capabilities of artificial intelligence, specifically leveraging ChatGPT to automate and enhance the process of ratio analysis in financial modeling. Ratio analysis is fundamental in assessing the financial health of any business, providing insights into profitability, efficiency, liquidity, and leverage. By automating this process, we can achieve higher accuracy and efficiency, allowing financial analysts to focus on strategy and decision making. Over here, our Excel file comprises two sheets. The first sheet, titled Financial Statements, contains detailed financial statements over a 5-year period. This file includes income statement containing annual details such as revenue, cost of goods sold, or COGS for short, and net income. Balance sheet consisting of information on assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. The cash flow statements containing details of cash flow from operations, investing, and financing. This data is crucial for calculating various financial ratios that help in analyzing a company's performance over the years. The second sheet is a blank sheet named Ratio Analysis. This sheet is designated for pasting the ratio analysis table that ChatGPT will create. Let's demonstrate how we can automate ratio analysis using ChatGPT. We will attach the financial information in Excel to the ChatGPT 4 browser alongside the following prompt. Using the attached financial statements, calculate the specified ratios over the years and provide them in a structured table. The financial ratios we will focus on include liquidity ratios, profitability ratios, leverage ratios, efficiency ratios, and cash flow ratios. Upon identifying the data, ChatGPT calculates various financial ratios. These include liquidity ratios, for example, the current ratio and the quick ratio, providing insights into the company's ability to meet short term obligations. For the profitability ratios, including gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin, these will help assess the company's efficiency at generating profit. The debt to equity and the interest coverage leverage ratios will indicate the level of a company's financial leverage and its ability to cover interest expenses. The inventory turnover and accounts receivable turnover efficiency ratios will show us how effectively the company manages its assets. The cash flow operations to sales and cash flow operations to total assets cash flow ratios will reflect the company's ability to generate cash from its operations. ChatGPT presents the calculated ratios in a structured tabular format, allowing for easy year-over-year comparisons and trend analysis. After ChatGPT generates the ratio analysis table, we can easily copy it and paste it into the ratio analysis sheet in our Excel file. This automation by ChatGPT streamlines the ratio analysis process, requiring only minimal formatting adjustments from us. Integrating AI tools like ChatGPT into financial modeling processes such as ratio analysis not only simplifies complex calculations, but also enhances the strategic decision making capabilities of financial analysts. This session demonstrates how ChatGPT can successfully automate the process of ratio analysis. The beauty of the prompt used and the process followed here is that they can be easily customized to your unique needs and requirements. You can add or omit ratios as needed. Furthermore, you can use the table generated by ChatGPT to create charts, extract insights, and perform a comprehensive ratio analysis. These processes can also be automated and streamlined using ChatGPT as we will see in the upcoming modules.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.